Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of glance. A brief or hurried look. For example, I stole a glance at John. The second definition of glance. A flash or gleam of light. For example, fish, sporting with quick glance, show to the sun their waved coats. American pronunciation. Glance. Glance. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Glance. Say. Glance. Glance means brief or hurried look. Glance. Glance. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. I kept shooting nervous glances at the clock. Now, repeat after me. I kept shooting nervous glances at the clock. The second practice. John stole a quick glance over his shoulder. Now, repeat after me. John stole a quick glance over his shoulder.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.